Speaking as the leader of Silent Unity and Daily Word in the UK, and in my own sense of self of who I am, it's been shocking and so terribly sad to witness what is happening in the Ukraine and all the violence that we see in our world. Let us come together in prayer and know peace in the world, strengthening and supporting the people of the Ukraine, and holding our world leaders in prayers of divine guidance, wisdom, and right action, knowing that we truly are one peoples and one planet. And what happens anywhere impacts us all. And this is also a golden opportunity to recognize our own inner violence, the own thoughts that we hold within us, our feelings of anger, of fear, of resentment, that sometimes cause us to say and do things that we would rather not do. The Ukraine is an outer symbol of the inner violence that we each have in our own way. So let us take this time to also allow healing in us, the healing of our own inner violent thoughts, those painful emotions that get in the way of us connecting with the good in us and in those around us. And know that as we take steps to heal our inner pain, gently allowing the activity of God to flow through us and as us, as healing and harmony and peace, that we become the change we seek. We live by example as Jesus taught us to do. And as we each make this inner change in ourselves, know that we will witness change in the world. And that as we continue to hold ourselves and our world in prayer, we give thanks for peace in every mind and heart, knowing that we are all strengthened and supported by the power of God that works in us and through us and as us always. God bless you, and thank you for the transformation of peace that you are helping to bring about in the world.